Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun book video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw the crayons from the Day the Crayons Quit book series. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our crayons from the Day that the Crayons Quit, let's begin with the orange crayon. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to curve up. And then I'm going to make another line that's going to curve up here. I'm going to bring this line in and this line in. And then we're going to make a line that's going to curve up and then down. Then I'm going to bring this line over and connect to here. Next, I'm going to draw a line here and a line here. And then I'm going to make a line down and another line down. I'm going to make a line across here and a little zigzag line. Now for the face, I'm going to make two sad faces for the eyes, or two smiley faces, and then a sad face for the mouth. For the arms, I'm going to draw a line here and a line here. And then I'm going to make a couple little like oval shapes on the end for the fingers. Now over here, let's draw the red crayon. So I'm going to make a long line that comes up here. Then I'm going to bring it in. And then I'm going to make a line that's going to curve across here. I'm going to bring this line up and in. Then we're going to make a line that's going to come up and down. I'm going to curve across here and curve across here. Then I'm going to make a line here and a line here. I'll draw a line across and I'll do a little zigzag line. Let's make a dot and a dot for the eyes. Then we're going to make a sad face with a line across. Now for the eyebrow, we're going to make a line that's going to go up, it's going to make a little loop, and it's going to come over here. Then we'll draw a line that comes up here for the arm, and we're going to make a line that comes over here. Then I'm going to make a little kind of curly shape here. And then a couple little oval shapes here. Now over here, let's draw the blue crayon. So starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve up. And another line that's going to curve up. I'm going to bring it in and bring it in. And then we'll connect it down here. We'll make a bump for the top, and then a line here and a line down here. We'll make another line with a little zigzag across. I'll make a dot here and a dot here for the eyes, and a little line here for the mouth, and then a line across here. Next, I'm going to curve this line, and we'll make some bumps. Then I'm going to bring this line up, and I'm going to make some little ovals up here. Then I'm going to draw a line down and a line down. And there you go. There is your drawing of the crayons from the Day the Crayons Quit. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.